Sa akin kasi it's both personal and also with the help of my director. Personal because I think si Joe and si Jody share one thing. I grew up not knowing who my father was. So, yung abandonment and rejection issues na nararamdaman ni Joe, super gets ko yun. Yung ilan sa mga coping mechanisms na makikita mo na ginawa niya sa film, yung pagiging achiever niya, yung pagiging hyper-independent niya, super nakaka-relate ako doon. But then, si Joe ay hindi si Jody at si Jody ay hindi si Joe. So doon pumapasok yung guidance ni Direk na paano mo natin gusto tong gawin? Anong direksyon natin to dadalhin? So, yeah, kung nasagot yung question.
Made choices that some people may not understand. Sabi mo kanina, isa siyang absentee mother na nag-decide na umuwi at panggulo ng isang pamilya na okay na, tanggap na namin na wala ka, tapos bumalik ka. So how did you prepare to play her part and help viewers understand where Paz is coming from?
Alam mo, wala namang tao na simple or one-dimensional, di ba? It's always very complex. Lahat ng tao, I guess that's what makes them different. And then for Paz, it's what makes her difficult. Di ba? Yung complexity niya. Maraming pinagdaanan si Paz na maybe hindi nyo makikita sa screen, no? But it helped me understand the character. Kung gano'n nasugatan si Joe, ganun din kasugat si Paz. So it's hurting people. So, yun yung hugot ko from Paz. As for Pegs, hindi lang isang tao, marami siya. Maraming complex na tao ang tinignan ko at inaral ko to arrive at the character.
I love how you worded out, hurt people. Kasi totoo siya. Sometimes we project our issues to other people, lalo na yung mga issues na hindi natin kayang gamutin sa sarili natin or work or tanggapin sa sarili natin na meron tayo. So I feel like
the project was a very personal one for all of us actually. It was a very healing experience. So parang habang pinapanganak namin ito ay inaasahan namin makakapag-usap sa inyo, may masasabi sa inyo kung Pilipino. Thank you for being here, thank you for giving it a chance, and enjoy yourselves.
thank you.
Happening, and I watched relationships that were wounded heal, and I keenly observed all of that happened, and it was so inspiring, and it taught me so much about healing that it healed me as well. So I said, yung ganung klaseng healing hindi pwedeng itago. So kailangan sabihin yung masabi yun sa iba sa pamamagitan ng story. So I started writing. It took about 2 years to write because I'm not a writer. I had to collaborate with other younger people to try to bring the freshness of the material. And that's it. I was inspired by by people, by characters who dealt with the situation.